Okay, so building the time machine. Find all of your 1x4 bricks and sort them into ones that have side studs and ones that don't. And then you want to take one that is plain and has no side studs, and you're going to stack 3 that have side studs on top of it, like this. And then you're going to put your other plain one on top of that. So you have 5 brick high stack with studs in the middle. The other 2, leave them alone for a while. Now we're going to make like the interesting display panel part of the time machine. So we have a grill and a digital clock, and they are going to go, grill goes in the center to bottom, and then the digital clock goes directly above it. It's worth noting that the digital clock works either way up. They chose numbers that reverse nicely. Now then you take the traditional clock face and you're going to stick it, so you see it sticks just on 2 studs and then leans up over the flat bit. And again, you can turn it to make it show different times. Now, everybody should have 6 shiny pieces that will go on the 6 studs. You can do them in any order or combination that you would like. And I do believe my pack only has 5, which is not good. No, but that's not a transparent one. It has to be a transparent, shiny one. Never mind, we'll come back to that. Okay, so now that we've made that, we're going to take 2 slopey bricks and we stick them on top, sloping out over the clock. And then on top of them, we stick a 4x4 plate. And underneath the front of it, a 2x4 plate, just to make the top a bit thicker. There's a reason for that, we'll see later. Now you have a round 2x2 plate. It sticks on top of the middle. And then you have this is like the machinery on top of the time machine. Okay, so this is we've made the really interesting bits of the time machine now. Now let's set this down and we're going to complete it. You take 4x4 plate and a 1x2 in the middle on one side, and then your 2 remaining 1x4s with side studs on each side with the studs facing outwards. Now you take this and you stick it across that back bit that has the 1x2 brick in it. You see, so now it's almost like a little kiosk you could step into. But we want to make it like a complete thing that you can step inside. So we're going to take, we have 2 4x8 plates, and you just stick them on the sides, on those side studs. And now you put together the hingey pieces, the 1x4 and the 4x4 hinge. And you take your 2 long tiles, one of them goes along the edge of this, and then the other one goes along, you skip 1 row of studs and put it on the next. Now take your 2x4 plates and put them on either end. This is so you're making like a tall door shape that's attached to a 1x4 hinge. And then you simply stick the 1x4 hinge just inside on one side of this, and there's your door.